Hi everybody. Figured we go for a nature walk. Today has been a very strange day. Couldn't get my video to upload this morning. After like 6 hours, I stopped it. Usually if it doesn't want to upload, I can, stop it, re-upload it, and it'll go. It didn't work. So, I don't know if it has something to do with my new phone or what's going on. So anyways, and then I went to go shopping at a store about 10 miles from me, small country town store that was having some really good sales. And I want to take advantage of it. And something happened. I ended up with a flat tire. It appears that the valve stem broke. So, I ended up alongside the road with a flat tire. I pulled into somebody's driveway. Actually, they were, what do you want to call it? Auto and body repair shop. So, they came out and changed my tire because I couldn't reach anybody. So, right now I'm up getting my tire fixed, and if it can't be fixed, I'm gonna put one of my old tires back on it because it was one of my brand new tires. I've only had it for like maybe 3 months, if even that. So anyways, that's what's happening, and I don't know if it's kind of a saving grace kind of thing, because if I had continued going where I was heading and had not had the flat tire that slowed me down, farther on down the road where I was going to go home, there was a car accident, and I remember the police going by, so I possibly could have ended up mixed up in that accident or been right there when it happened, which is kind of, I feel sorry for the people. I don't know what happened or the details, just, it's sometimes that happens. Sometimes we are prevented from going someplace or doing something for a reason. So I'm not sure what happened, but we're going to go on a little nature walk, and I'm going to try to upload this video. And because I don't want to actually stop this, I'm going to try to flip this. It's not going to let me. It's not going to let me. So I guess we're going to have to do this in 2 parts. So, I tried. It's the same phone as what I've got from my other one. It's my new phone. We're going to try this. Be right back. Okay, guys. I'll tag that video. I was down here at Christmas time. Well, not Christmas, I don't remember. I got snowed in. I come up to, I don't know what it was. Anyways, to have the car looked at. And I got snowed in. It wasn't supposed to be snowing, and we got a snowstorm, and I got stuck up here. So here I am. This is the same exact path, guys. Same place, but it's summertime. So I will tag that one in the pinned comments if and when this video uploads. Like I said, I don't know if it's my phone or if it's YouTube. I do know that I have my ex-family haters are leaving comments and then deleting them, thinking I cannot see them. But they're showing up in my, what do you want to call it? In my notifications. So, yes, it's, I block them. And it just... check that out. Do you see that? I'm going to avoid that. Now, when it rains, this is full of water. This is like a creek bed. Usually there's a little bit of water in this, but it's been an odd year, guys. This is where I took y'all for a walk. And this area will flood. So, take you for a short little jaunt down through here. Just enough to make this a 10-minute video. It's really pretty down here. So, nice and relaxing. Looking to see, it's too early for the walnuts and pecans. I know in New York they're called pecans. Out here they're called pecans. It's funny how different areas call things different ways. So, but nice and relaxing out here. Anyways. Thought I'd take you for a little walk. We all know we don't, we don't mess with viney things growing on trees. And we stay clear of spidey stuff. I'll probably end up with chiggers on me. I don't know. Chiggers may be over with. I hope. I think this is the tree that I was showing you guys. All the thorns. This is a locust. Yeah, it's like, don't touch me. Don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me. I'm untouchable. And those thorns will get in your tires, your car tires, like if you have a lawnmower, a big one, like he does, that has like tires with air in them, your four-wheelers, oh yeah, they will get in them and you will have a flat. So, looks very different compared to the way it looked with all the snow and ice on it last year. So, anyways, we can walk back up, see how I'm making out with my tire. Trying to make this be 10 minutes to make YouTube happy. Show you some of the vegetation. Okay guys, I'm going to call it quits here. Thanks for taking this walk with me. I'm going to get this ready and hopefully get it uploaded. Have an absolute wonderful afternoon, evening, and a good week tomorrow. Bye guys. Jax says, hi everybody. It's hot out. Jax will be 14 December 12th. He is so sweet. Sweet old man. Oh, buddy. Sweet old man. Just thought I'd show you some fuzzy face love.